Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Ryan and welcome to my channel. I'm back up here at Moonshine Harley Davidson today, but today I'm with Cara, the Motoclothes manager right up here at Moonshine Harley Davidson in Franklin, Tennessee, and we're gonna talk safety just for you guys, just to kind of give you a little bit of edge out there on the road with those crazy cars riding around. Cara, what do you have for us?
So right here I have this Shoei RF-1200. It's one of the elite helmets that we actually offer here at Moonshine. I'll go over some of the safety specs with it and why it's one of our favorite. So this helmet is not only DOT approved, but it is SNELL approved. SNELL is a private foundation that goes through rigorous testing to ensure that the helmets actually are the best of the best. With that being said, we love this helmet because of those features. Also, the emergency release. In case anything ever does happen, it has a quick release so that your head and neck will easily slide out of the helmet for your protection and to continue to keep you safe if you do have any neck injury. Some great features on this helmet are some of the ventilation. Has all the ventilation, the mouth right here that's easy open and close, the two brow ventilations, and also through the back it goes through smoothly. So it keeps you really cool in the summer, and also you can close them and the heat stays in for the winter. It has an antibacterial liner. In the summer you are gonna sweat no matter how much ventilation you have, but it's kind of self-cleaning, so it doesn't gunk it up very easy. That's another feature that I truly do love about this one. I also sell with this guy a transition lens, and the great thing about the transition lens that you can purchase with this, it is very light activated to go from light, dark, darker to darkest. And you train it by riding with it for a few times, and then you'll notice the way that it transitions very smoothly, and then it'll also transition back super quickly after you've worn it a couple times. We always tell a rider, leave it outside for a couple hours and then bring it back in. Don't do it in the middle of the summer or the winter, because that actually will mess up the integrity of your helmet to keep it up to par. With the transition lens, it's a great feature that you can add on to it to just make your helmet a little bit better.
Well, and I'll tell you this, Cara, I have the step down Shoei from this, and I love it. Like you said about the airflow, it's amazing. Just in the summertime alone, it doesn't get extremely hot. When it starts to get hot, I'll open the vents and just drop my head a little bit, and I swear to you, I can feel the air coming through the helmet, in between and through the little vents inside of the padding and cooling off my head. And you said something about the padding. On these Shoei helmets, you're able to pull the padding out. You can wash it. You can purchase new padding if for whatever reason you've had it too long and you're kind of a sweater. You know, you can, and you've ruined your padding. The padding's really not that expensive as well. And Moonshine Harley Davidson's able to get that for you as well. You were talking about the lens. It has a Pinlock. You can put the little piece inside. It keeps it from fogging up, and it works. It works. I have ridden 200 miles in the rain and it works. It does not fog up. I have the transition lens, and I've had the transition lens for a year and a half. Still works. Yeah. Still good. I ride a lot and it transitions fast. I've never been caught in a situation where it started to get dark and I thought, oh my gosh, I gotta lift my shield so I can see. I don't even realize that it's there. Yeah. I don't realize that it's transitioning.
Another great thing you were talking about is the ventilation. When you're saying, you know, you can, when you open it, you feel that instant airflow. Even if you just pop your shield just for a moment, you're able to still get that airflow in nicely, and it doesn't block these guys unless you go up all the way. So you can just pop this. I see a lot of people do it at stoplights and stuff like that, and it kind of gets that airflow going again. The Pinlock that Ryan was talking about is actually included when you purchase a Shoei helmet. It's just another added bonus whenever you invest in a helmet. And that's another thing I wanted to speak of. This helmet is an investment, but it's one you're gonna have for that 3 to 5 years that we do recommend you having a helmet. Now, speaking of helmet care, you need to store it properly. Once you've ridden, take it off, let it air dry if it's in the middle of the summer, or if you were caught in the rain, any type of weather, let it air dry. And then store it in its duster that it does come in, because that will keep your helmet safe, and also it will keep it for the longevity of the 3 to 5 years. If you ever drop it from higher than 3 feet, please replace your helmet, because then your helmet is no good to you. It will bust the inside and it has no benefit for you.
The Shoei RF-1200 right up here at Moonshine Harley Davidson. I'll put the Motoclothes link in the description of this video. I just want to bring you guys something that'll make you a little bit safer. This helmet will make you a little bit safer on the road. If you have not already, please hit that like button. Please consider subscribing to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next episode. Cara, thank you very much.
Thank you, Ryan.
Thank you guys for watching.
Bye.
Look, I've got... Oh, stall.